Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are all the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course this had been majorly on uptrend, started from the support zone, got to the resistance zone, had a major sell at this point. Okay, but it was unable to break out below the support zone and it went back on uptrend. Okay, it has gotten to this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then it's going to keep on buying. If it does not, then it should go back on downtrend, but for now it is more of a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is boom 500, and of course this actually went on downtrend till it got to this region. It went back to buy, okay, but it was unable to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so it started selling right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, once it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more right from there. Here is the support zone. Okay, once it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000. It was on uptrend before but came to an end at this resistance, so it started a downtrend right from there, and it has been crashing down since then. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now the next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this region, had a major pullback but went back up. Okay, I gave a signal this on this particular asset on the Telegram channel, and they made a lot of profit right from there. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, until it's unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so next asset should be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. This is volatility 75. It's actually bought right from this support zone till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to go further, so it started selling right from there. However, it has gotten to this support zone and was unable to break out from there, so it is playing around there for a while. Okay, so it is actually trying to go back on buy trend right from there. Okay, so we expect it to buy right from there. At least it should get to this particular spot once it starts buying. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God